Good morning, everybody. Moss here along with the fabulous Miss Lucy. Miss Lucy, say hi. All right, I have a stealth camping tip for you. I just found these over at Target in the dollar section. Now, what it is, at night, I like sitting there with a little drink. And at the same time, this is my ritual before I go to sleep. It's sort of like a meditation. Then I like to crunch on some good stuff. But the problem with these things is this. I want to do it in the dark, but then you have to have a light on to find everything. Well, look at what I found. This thing solves all the problems. Isn't this cool? So this is the drink. This is the snack holder, and the straw is inside, and they come in all sorts of pretty colors. And this was $5 in the Target little cheap area section. So happy stealth camping, everybody, and I'll see you down the road. Bye. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this tonight.